Hi, I'm Dr. Gaetano Morello. I'm a practicing naturopathic physician practicing in West Vancouver, British Columbia for over 22 years. And today we're going to talk about antioxidants. And antioxidants are so vitally important to the body because we have so much free radicals that go on in our bodies. We're getting bombarded from free radicals from all sorts of different directions. And I always try to give an explanation of what an antioxidant does and what free radicals look like. And it's really, the apple analogy is the best. So if you slice an apple in half, what happens? The white flesh browns. That's called free radical damage from the exchange from the oxygen. This is oxidation. But if we take another apple, we slice it in half and we squeeze lemon juice on it, the apple doesn't brown because the lemon juice acts as an antioxidant, protecting it from the damage of the oxygen. Now, the same thing happens in our bodies. We're getting browning all over the place, and this is what can create breakdown in cardio, which we talked about in another video. This is what can create heart disease. It can create all sorts of different conditions. They're numerous even to name them all because of this free radical damage. Now, the body has its own natural antioxidant, its own natural lemon juice. And this lemon juice that the body has is called glutathione. And boy, if we could increase the levels of glutathione, we would have it made. Anti-aging would be resolved. And so the problem is that we can't get glutathione in the body. It's a larger molecule and it oxidizes very rapidly. So how do we get glutathione in? Well, we have a new product. Our glutathione product is really remarkable in that it actually can raise the levels of glutathione in the blood. Now, this is a sublingual product that you put underneath the tongue. It gets inside the system and actually acts as glutathione, and it can raise the levels of circulating glutathione, which is a remarkable achievement in the glutathione world. I mean, there's lots of glutathione products on the marketplace, but most of them don't get outcomes. This one is a clinically studied one that actually gives you outcomes. So a couple of tablets a day underneath the tongue can raise the glutathione levels in your body.